Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of Cambridge IGCSE October November paper 1-2. So in first video we did question 1 to 17. Here we are going to do the remaining question. I hope you guys are getting benefit of these videos. Thank you so much for your support. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and I will eagerly wait for your comments for the feedback. So let's start. Question number 18. Expand. So expand the bracket. 2 will be multiplied to both of the terms inside. This is 2t plus 2w plus 3w minus 3t. Now combine the like terms. This is 2w plus 3w, it is 5w minus 3 minus 2, it's t. Negative because 3 is greater than 2 and 3 has a negative sign, so it will be negative 5w minus t, right? Now number 19, without using calculator, work out 3 1 over 8 minus 1 3 over 4. So this is 3 times 8 24 plus 1 25 over 8 minus 4 times 1 4 plus 3 7 over 4. Now denominator should be same for both of them. So let's multiply this by here by 2 by 2. So this is 25. So here it is going to be 8 25 minus 14, 25 minus 14, 25 minus 14, it is 11 over 8. So 11 over 8 we are going to write. See, you must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So divide it by 8 3. So denominator remains as denominator, remainder goes up here and divisor is here. So 1 3 over 8 is the answer, right? Now number 20, we have question from Venn diagram. We are given here the epsilon, the student of in a class, students who play cricket by C, F who played football. There are 36 students in class. 15 play cricket, 20 play football. Complete the Venn diagram. So we are all I think there are 36 in total. There are 36. 15 play cricket. So 15 play cricket. So 11 is already there. So that means there should be more 11 plus 4 that should come in cricket. So that means 4 comes here, right? Then 20 students play football. This is football, so 20 play. So total should be 20 and here it is 4. So 20 minus 4, that is 16. So 16 should come over here, right? So that in total it becomes 20, right? Now next is write down n C union F. N means number of elements in C union F. C union F means all that is in C and F. So it is 11 plus 4 plus 16. 11 plus 4 plus 16, that is 15. 15 plus 16, it is 31, right? Now next one is ABC is a right angled triangle. You can see calculate AC. So for AC you can see this is adjacent. Adjacent is a side that is just beside the angle. This is 30 and that line side is touching down here. That is adjacent, and side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse, right? We are looking for AC. So we will be using SOHCAHTOA here. Okay, so we want to include the hypotenuse and adjacent. Hypotenuse and adjacent is here, cos. So we are going to use cos of 34 is equal to adjacent, which is 18 over hypotenuse, which is AC. So from here when you cross multiply, AC goes here, so 18 over cos 34, that gives us 21.71, so approximately 21.7 centimeters, right? Now question number 22, point A and line L. This is point, where is point A? And line L are shown on the grid. Here it is. Point A and this is line A. Write down the coordinates of point A. If you see from A, go towards X. When you reach here, you have X coordinate 1 and Y coordinate is -2. So 1 -2. Now on grid, plot point -2 and 4. So this is X and this is Y. X is -2, X -2, go along, Y equals to 4. So this is point -2 and 4, -2 and 4, right? Now find the equation of line L. So for equation of line L, because this is a straight line, so equation of line is mx plus c. C is y-intercept and m is the gradient. Gradient is what is m? M is rise over run, meaning rise is this one. We can choose any 2 points. I'm taking this one. Rise is 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 and run is 2. 3 over 2. That is I'm sorry, this is not 2. This is 1 over 5, 1.5. So that is 3 over 1.5, that is 30 over 15, it is 2, right? So we got here 2x plus c. C is y-intercept. This is y-intercept c, where the line touches the y-axis. So this is 3. So value of c is 3. So equation is y equals to mx plus plus 3, right? Now number 23, a bell rings every 22 minutes. Bell B rings every 14 minutes. Both bells ring at 9. Work out the next time both bells ring together. So the best way to do these kind of questions, we will take LCM of 22 and 14, right? So divide by 2, it's 11, 7. So LCM is 2 times 11 times 7, which is 154. This is 154 minutes. So first bell rings at 9, then after that it will ring after 140 minutes after this one, after like 9 o'clock. After this much time the bell is going to ring together, right? So this we can convert it into, when you divide it by 154 divided by 60, 6 times 2, so bell is going to ring after together, both bells will ring after 2 hours and 34 minutes. So after 9 plus 2 hours, that is 11, and 34 minutes more plus 34 minutes, so that is going to be 11:34. So bell is going to ring at 11:34 again at the same time, right? Now number 24, ABC triangle is there, DEF triangle is there, both are mathematically similar. Calculate the value of x. So whenever we have similar shapes, the ratio is equal. So x, we can write down x over 7.3 equals to 4.4 over 5.5. Now remember that you are taking the corresponding. I have taken this slant height here, this, so this is going to be corresponding to this, and here we are going to take this one here, this one and this one, they are not equal, sorry. So I'm just showing that. So this over this, this over this. If you take this side in the side of this triangle in numerator, so then you will take the other side on the other one, right? So now you just cross multiply. So x times 5.5 equals to 4.4 times 7.3 divided by 5.5. So this and this goes. So this is equal to 5.84. So x is 5.84, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you guys understood everything. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.